What's up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm coming to you guys again with another video. And as you can see, guys, I'm very excited. You know, this is my first video for the new year. The last video that I posted, which was about a week or two ago, that was my last video for 2020. Before, I was being consistent, dropping about 2 to 3 videos a week. But you know, I got caught up with a lot of stuff. And for those of you who don't know, if you go check my IG, I'll leave it in the description as always. If you go check my IG, I just had a gender reveal. Yes, you guys, this year, coming May, I will be having a daughter. So I'm finally back. I will be uploading regularly. So, and today for you guys, what I will be doing is I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to scramble wash the right way. I'm gonna be showing you everything step by step. So if the video is very long, you know, and just bear with me, because I'm gonna really be showing you guys detailed and step by step on how to scramble wash your hair. But first things first, don't do this if your hair is not trained. Do not do this method if your hair is not trained. If you can't comb your hair back and then comb it back forward and your waves is still visible, then your hair is not trained and you do not need to be scramble washing. If you want to wash the regular way, you can go check my old videos. I have about 2 or 3 videos on how to wash your hair. But this one, I'll be showing you guys how to scramble wash your hair. Let me show you guys how I'm looking. As always, you guys, if you want to cop this do-rag or any other do-rag that you see in my videos, I'll be leaving a link in the description with my coupon code for 15% off the whole site. And the first thing you guys want to do is take a comb and comb out your hair. And the first thing what you're gonna want to do is comb your hair out. You want to detangle your hair before you wash it. You always want to comb your hair out, especially when you're woofing. If your hair is short, you really don't need to comb it, but when you're woofing, you definitely want to comb your hair out. You guys can see I kind of have a lot of hair on my head. Right now I'm 4 weeks woofing. My last cut was December 10th. As you guys can see, my hair is kind of long. I'm 4 weeks woofing. My last cut was on December 10th. And in 2 more days, I'm gonna be going to get a shape up and a taper, and then I'm gonna be cutting about a day or 2 before my birthday, which is in February, in the end of February. So when that time comes, I'm gonna be 11 weeks woofing when I get my cut. So right now I'm on the road to 11 weeks, and right now I'm on week 4, so I got 7 more weeks to go. After you combed out your hair, what you want to do is now just wet your hair. You want to wet your hair with warm water. All right, you guys, now after you rinsed out your hair with some warm water, now you want to take your shampoo. Remember guys, you're only doing this if your hair is trained. If your hair is not trained, you will lose progress. As you can see, it's not really, like getting real soapy. It's not really getting a good lather. That's because your hair is still dirty, so your hair is not gonna lather up the first try. So now after you did that, you just want to rinse your hair out. All right, after you did that the first time, now you just want to take your shampoo and just repeat the same process again. As you guys can see, this time I got more of a lather. That's because I got some of the dirt out. So now my hair is lathering a little bit more. So now what you want to do, you want to take your detangler brush. You don't really, if you guys don't want to, you can skip this step. I kind of just do this because it feels good. Like my hair was itchy and it's real dirty, so I needed to get a wash. So I just take this and I go like this, just to get all, just to get in there and make sure you really get into the scalp. And it just feels real good on my head. Now I'm just gonna rinse that out again. Now you just want to take your comb and comb your hair. If you guys want to, you can use a mirror, but you don't really need to. Just comb your hair in place. So after you combed your hair out, you want to take a little bit of shampoo, not too much. This time you don't want to scramble your hair. You just want to go with your pattern. Again, you want to take your wash brush and get a regular brush session in. Because I know my angles, I don't really need a mirror. I'm just get a light brush session and just brush your hair in place. And what you're doing here is getting your hair ready for the styling part. So now you're gonna rinse this out. Now you want to take your shampoo. Now this is the easy and the fun part. Just want to take your shampoo, rub that in real good, apply to your wave pattern, and go on a lengthy brush session. Normally I would say go about 20 to 30 minutes, but sometimes it takes longer than that to really get your hair in place and for it to lay down, you know, in the way you want to. So I would really just say, you know, brush until you're satisfied. So now you're just gonna apply this to your pattern. You should get a good lather. You always want to just take your hands and make sure you go around your pattern, lay everything down. And of course, if you're woofing, then you know that you want to double compress, or you should double compress. I like using a monsoon cap and then a stocking cap on top, because it makes it easier. You don't have to deal with no strings or nothing, tying nothing up. It's just 1, 2, 3. So there you have it, guys. That is how you scramble wash. So now I'm gonna show you guys. You just want to rinse off your hair and then wait about 2 to 3 hours before you unrag your hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my hair hard, medium, soft. I'm going to put like maybe a moisturizer or a light oil in it. And then I'm going to get a good brush session ready for tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'm going to get my shape up and taper. So I could go on my 11-week wolf. Right now I'm at 4 weeks. I just got 7 more weeks to go.